This tutorial review will show you how to change your Facebook password without knowing current password. First of all, open your Facebook and click on your profile, settings and privacy, and go to settings. Click on security and login tab. And here you'll find change password options. You have to click on edit. And to change your Facebook account password without current or old password, you must need the access of your account email address or phone number. If you have access to your email and phone number, then click on forgotten your password. And now select an option to receive the code to reset your password. I've added my email account and my mobile number to this Facebook account, so I can select any of them. I'm selecting my phone number and clicking on continue. I received a verification code to my number. I'm going to entering the verification code here. Then click on continue. And now here is the field where you can create a new password for your Facebook account without knowing your current password. So type a new password for your Facebook account and click on continue, and that's how you will be able to change your Facebook account password without current password. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.